Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2019 QL Kia Sportage SX. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front. This vehicle is fitted with a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a front-wheel drive 6-speed automatic transmission. We have the left-hand power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left front door, appears to have no damage. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear appears to have a good tyre. Left hand taillight in tidy condition. Left hand tailgate garnish in tidy condition. Right hand tailgate garnish in good condition. Right hand taillight. We have the tailgate and rear bumper cover in tidy condition. The 18-inch factory alloy mag wheel. The right rear has a good tyre. Have the right hand rear door. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. We have the right hand power door mirror in tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. We have the driver's power window master switch. Automatic transmission console lid. Automatic transmission console. Factory aircon controls. Has a JBL Bluetooth stereo, sat-nav and reverse camera. We have the left-hand sun visor in tidy condition. Courtesy lights and sunglass holder in tidy condition. Right-hand sun visor in tidy condition. Instrument cluster. Has a tidy black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.